yung love. You cannot give love kung yung sarili mo hindi mo kaya mahalin. You will totally relax and sleep all the way down deeper more relaxed.
Hey guys, pupunta tayo sa SM Grand Central today. Imimit natin si George dahil i-hypnotherapy natin siya. So let's go! And we're going to SM Grand Central para i-meet si George. Isa siya sa mga nag-volunteer para mag-undergo ng hypnotherapy. Naghanap kasi ako last time sa Facebook account ko ng mga gusto mag-volunteer for hypnotherapy, specifically sa mga hindi maka-move on or hirap mag-move on. Pangalawa, may mga trauma. Pangatlo, may phobia. Kaya, if you think you need hypnotherapy or gusto mong ma-experience yung hypnotherapy and willing ka naman to try it, just message me or comment down in this video. Ayun, ano nga ba yung hypnotherapy? Ang hypnotherapy po, gumagamit po kami ng hypnosis para mag-reprogram ng mind or to help people ease the pain or to help people have deep realizations within them. Hindi po kami yung nagbibigay ng solution sa kanila. We are just helping people to find the solutions within them dahil naniniwala kami na lahat ng solusyon sa problema nasa loob na po yan. Ang goal lang naman natin is to dig deep to help them come up to a realization using hypnosis. And of course, for bad habits naman and for trauma, we are doing reprogramming with the use of hypnosis and NLP patterns na din and mga NLP techniques. So it will depend no, sa different cases, different scenarios. As long as you know how to do hypnosis and understand how the mind works, kayang-kaya mo rin gawin to. So if you want to check more or know more about hypnosis, visit my website www.coachbillyg.com para sa mga more information din. And if you want more content like this, you can follow my FB page, YouTube, and TikTok. Just type in Hypnomoto. Okay, so you can subscribe for more videos like this one. So, papakilala po pala muna ako. I'm Bill Gonzalez. I'm a consulting hypnotist and also an NLP coach. Ayun nga po, ang consulting hypnotist, ginagawa po namin ang hypnosis or ginagamit namin yung hypnosis as a tool para mag-reprogram, especially for success, for manifestation, for mental issues or mental problems, for emotional concerns, and many more, even for entertainment. I'm also doing hypnosis para sa entertainment po. Magagamit mo rin to kung sales ka or gusto mong mag-improve communication skills mo, magagamit mo siya dahil hypnosis and NLP have different patterns, techniques, and even matututo ka for persuasion, influence, and many more. Ganun po ka-useful ang hypnosis. Kaya gumagawa ko na ganitong videos is because I want to show the world na napakaganda ng hypnosis and napaka-helpful niya, contrary to popular belief na negative ang connotation ng hypnosis, di ba? Sa mga movies, sa mga balita, sinasabi nila budol-budol daw or mind control daw. So through this channel, through these pages, through these FB pages natin, I will be uploading a lot of hypnosis and motorcycle vlog para pinagsama na natin to enjoy kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko. I love to travel, I love to eat. Isasama natin yan sa motovlogging natin. We will go around with our motorcycle. Tapos, we will be meeting different people na mga gusto magpa-hypnosis or for entertainment, we will hypnotize some people. Kaya, if you want to see more videos like that, just follow me and subscribe. And if you want to experience hypnosis, usap tayo. Comment below or message me directly sa mga FB pages ko. Okay? So for now, I hope you will enjoy this video. for the next videos, ito na yung hypnotherapy session namin ni George. Yung iba, finast forward ko na. Yung iba, kinat ko na. Yung mga interview sessions ko sa kanya so that mapaiksi natin yung video na to. But the process is still there. The idea is still there. And I hope makita ninyo paano yung process ng hypnosis. So, enjoy guys!
So, hi guys! Ayan, so Bill here, tapos si George. And so we're here ngayon para sa aming hypnotherapy session. Ang gagawin namin is a case for moving on. Diba? Pero share mo muna ano yung pinaka-goal mo talaga to move on from what is specific.
I think ang pinaka-gusto kong goal para mag-move on is from the past sa mga taong nawala sa buhay ko. Kasi na-realize ko at some point, ito yung mga bagay na nag-hinder sa akin sa growth. So, itong dalawang tao na to is best friend ko and yung mother ko. Kasi pareho silang nawala sa buhay ko at the same time. So, after nun, nagkaroon ng mga impulsive thoughts and na-realize ko, nag-break free ako dun sa pagkasira ng utak ko. And that's when I realized na ito na pala yung time para mag-create na ako ng sarili kong move para sa pag-move on.
What do you want to happen ba ngayon?
Ngayon, I want to be able to forget muna kung ano nangyari.
Forget yung ano nangyari or forget the feeling?
But in both.
Forget the feeling of ano.
Alam ko na, bigyan natin ng specification. May gusto ako sa best friend ko.
So in short, heartbroken. Ganun. Parang heartbroken.
Yes.
Doon natin siya. Okay. So ganito gagawin natin. So I'll put you in trance, pero syempre for the sake na kita nila, I'll ask permission, 'di ba? Willing ka to be hypnotized naman. For ethical purposes, guys. Para kasi baka sabihin ng iba bigla na hindi hypnotized. So for ethical purposes, ayan pumayag po siya. So we're going to do hypnotherapy purposes. Though na-experience naman na dati. Put your hand dito. Choose any hand right now. Lapag mo lang dyan. Now, relax. So, sit up straight. Relax ka. And here's what I'm going to do. And focus on one of your finger right now. And imagine as if or focus on any sensation dyan sa kamay mo. Okay, so choose a spot. Okay? So in a moment, na-check the a little while. Yeah, that's right. The moment that it starts to go up, you'll notice your whole arm is starting to go up with it. And the more it goes up, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the more it will go up, the more relaxing you feel. And your hand will try, or your hand wants to go towards your face without you controlling it. When it's not it will start to move faster and faster. And the more it goes up, the more the higher it goes, the more faster it will go up. That's right. You notice, parang siyang magnet, and your hand is moving towards your face. And in a moment, na yung hand mo will start na move towards your face. You may be distracted in some time, but every time you feel distracted, mapapansin mo, mas lalo siyang bibilis, and mas lalo siyang mag-move towards your face. That's right. And the more higher it goes, the more lighter it feels, the more lighter it feels, the more ang such feeling as if you want to go deep and you want to go to relax. In a moment, you will decide. And you can decide if you're going to relax deep, relax slowly or quickly. And deep. That's right. So push back, and the moment that kumana siya, when it's not here, it will go 100 times faster. Now, that's right. And you'll notice your eyelids are starting to feel heavier and heavier and totally relax. And when I say sleep, you'll close your eyes. Then you will totally relax and sleep all the way down deeper, more relaxed. Okay? So now, pakinggan mo ako. Just focus on my voice and let my voice guide you. It's you and me now. Now, when I tap any part of your body, you will go 1,000 times more relaxed. 1,000 times more relaxed. Yung head mo, mas lalong nagiging heavier. Yung neck mo, mas lalong naging relax. Yung facial muscles mo is going to go deeper and deeper and totally relaxing. That's right. Okay? 100 times heavier and heavier. The more better you feel, the more better you feel, the more heavier it goes and more relaxing that you will feel. In a moment, I will ask you to go into a safe space. Okay? I don't know what kind of safe spaces it is, but let me know kung ano nakikita mong safe space. Hindi po and go into a safe space na for you is the most safest na space for you, safest place for you. What is it now? Here's right.
Ah, ito ko to.
Are you standing?
Lie down.
Lying down. Okay. So you're lying down, hands up mo.
That's right.
That's right. What color?
Black.
Black. Okay. And zip your right. Right. Okay. So now, I will ask you to look around and lead you to the door mo. Once you open the door, you'll go on a time na yung may feeling ka na I don't know kung ano yung feeling na yon with your best friend. And yung time na yon, yung feeling na yun with your best friend is ito yung feeling na ayaw mo maramdaman right now. And let's say, let's be straightforward na broken-hearted ka on that event. Okay? Now on that event, I want you to go there and see yourself. Maybe, syempre, it's younger than you. Diba? Kahit months pa lang siya nangyari, that person is months younger than you. Tama? Now, I want you to go on that time. As I count from 1 to 3, slowly go in that time and open the door. And once you open the door, when you are ready to meet the person na ikaw, on the time na nagkaroon ka ng problem with your best friend, na na-heartbroken ka with your best friend, let me know once you have the courage to meet the person na ikaw mismo on the time na parang na-heartbroken ka. 3, 2, and 1.
Nasa ako dito. Yes. Yes.
Ano yung tingin mo na kailangan ng person na yan? Nung younger you? On that time.
Companion,
Companion, okay.
may nakakarinig sa kanya.
May makakarinig sa kanya. Okay.
And may makikinig sa kanya.
At may makikinig sa kanya. Okay. And now, sabihin mo to sa kanya. Okay. George, I know you are broken-hearted right now. And you need someone na makikinig sa'yo. You know that that person, your best friend, is important for you. And you love your best friend. And because of a misunderstanding of the situation, you felt broken-hearted. But, George, I assure you, I'm giving you this stuffed toy. And I want to tell you that everything will be okay in the future. You are becoming better, mas lalo kang nagiging fit, mas lalo kang nagiging confident, and na-realize mo on the past next days na kaya mo naman pala. It's just, I want you to know that everything will be okay. Then, if you want to hug him, okay, in your own time. Okay? Then cherish your time with that. And when you're done and you think na kaya na ni younger you, ni George, na binigyan mo ng stuffed toy, when you're done, you can say goodbye and tell him na, I assure you, kakayanin mo and kaya mo naman pala. Because look at me, I'm here right now. Kinaya ko. Let's move forward. And as I count from 1 to 5, slowly get out of trance, feeling good, feeling great, feeling wonderful, confident, and free. 1, slowly get out of trance, feeling good, feeling great, feeling confident, and free. 2, feeling excited, motivated, recharged, and refreshed. 3, feeling free. 4, feeling lighter and lighter. And 5, wide awake. How did you feel?
Na-feel ko na it's both worlds eh. Parang na-take into consideration ko yung both version ng selves ko. Nakikita ko siya into different perspectives. Nakatayo ako, tsaka nakahiga. Yung nasa isang room kami, nakita ko yung inaabotan ako ng teddy bear, pero nakita ko rin yung version ng sarili ko na ako yung nag-aabot. It doesn't feel weird eh. It feels relieving na makita mong may kasama ka. Alam mong ikaw yan. And the moment na ramdam ko yung yakap ko sa sarili ko. Ramdam ko yan. Na-realize ko na I got past dun sa nangyari and I survived naman and I'm still there. Na binisita ko yung sarili ko, yung old self ko. Na-realize ko na I've become better compared the last time. Hindi na ako masyadong relapse, hindi na ako masyadong iyak.
But how about you?
How about me?
Kamusta? Kamusta yung sarili mo?
Sorry. Narinig yun.
Compared kanina or compared na itong past days?
Sorry. I think mas na-realize ko na nandun yung self-love, nandun yung care sa sarili. Na may pakaya ako sa sarili ko. It's just, hindi ko lang alam kung paano kayo organize yung thoughts na yun. Hindi ko ma-visualize. Kung anong feeling na hindi ko ma-visualize kung ano yung feeling na dapat makuha ko noon. Na nakuha ko na ngayon, which is ano bang feeling na niyakap ka ng time na umiyak ka na sobra.
Kasi I don't want to rob everything from you. Kailangan pa rin talaga may matitira. Okay? Kasi it's needed. Okay na may matitira. As long as it's manageable, it's still healthy pa din. As long as nakakakilos ka na maayos, as long as na gagawa mo yung daily task mo, it's healthy pa rin. Because emotions keeps us moving.
I
But
think,
it keeps the people in motion.
yung part na about sa room, yung dalawang version ko, like I've said kanina, I've been talking to myself, like 10 years from now version of me. Pina-visualize ko kaya pinangalan ko sa kanya is 20. Kasi at that moment, pumasok ako sa room na yun na ako si 30. So, 10 years old. So, 10 years from now. So, yun na lang din yung nickname ko, 30 tsaka si 20. And then, at that moment, mas sa tingin ko in the future, mas kaya kong i-visualize yung relationship ng sarili ko sa sarili ko. Medyo kakaiba siya pakinggan, pero yung relationship ko sa sarili ko, mas kaya ko siya i-visualize better. And mas kaya kong tulungan sa sarili ko. Kasi, usually, yung self ko, si 30 is, naririnig ko siya in every way na may gagawin ako na sa tingin ko hindi tama. Like, parang tama. Ano ba? Nagka-calorie deficit ako, tapos kakain ako ng ganito kadami. And then, maririnig ko siya at the back of my head. Pero ini-ignore ko lang siya. Kasi naririnig ko na siya. Pero I think, ngayon, mas nabivisualize ko, mas nakikita ko siya ngayon. Nakakatabi ko. Medyo creepy. Pero, that's how I think it is. Mas na-help ako ma-visualize.
So parang mas na ano mo siya na ang kakampi mo talaga sa sarili mo. Na cargo mo talaga sa sarili mo. Ayun naman talaga kasi no, you cannot give something if you don't have it. You cannot give something if you don't have it. Even if let's say na yung love, You cannot give love kung yung sarili mo hindi mo kaya mahalin. You cannot give love if you cannot uh, love yourself, diba? Kaya ano yan eh, it's energy na nag-overflow. So yun lang muna for now, pero I'll check back on you in the few days. So let me know. I'll check back on you in the few days. Then pag-usapan natin sa chat. Okay?
Yep.
So ayun. So yun lang muna for now, guys.
And that's it. I hope meron kayong natutunan sa case ni George. And if you think na you need hypnotherapy sessions or NLP sessions, just let me know. I will help you. Pag-usapan natin. Message me or comment down in any of my videos para magkaroon tayo ng communication. And specifically sa may mga trauma, phobia, sa mga hindi makamove on, ayun currently mga hinahanap ko. But if wala dun sa mga nabanggit ko yung case mo, feel free to message me or visit www.coachbillyg.com and message me for inquiries. Sabihin mo lang nakita mo sa Hypnomoto vlog ko yung hinahanap ko. And I will surely respond to your queries. Ayun lang, I hope you enjoy. So feel free to share this video, like this video, and subscribe to my pages.